Hi guys, welcome to my first cooking video. Today we're going to prepare to make teriyaki salmon. So let's start. So first thing you'll need to do is you need to put your oven on 450 degrees. And start. So you do that before just so it can warm up, so when you want to put it inside the oven, it'll already be ready. Okay, so these are the ingredients. Not a lot. You also need a sink, but anyways, you'll just need some teriyaki and some salmon, obviously. Okay, so first thing you need to do is you need to gently wash it. Gently wash it with gentle water, just to clean it a bit. Okay guys, so if your salmon might have bones like here. So what you want to do is get one of these and just pick it up and just like throw it out. Here, like this. So just repeat that. Okay, now after we washed it and took out all the bones, which it wasn't supposed to have, by the way, now we are going to dry it. To dry it, you're gonna need one of these. To dry it, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it like this, and you're gonna do small taps just to. Oh, and I also separated it because this one, I wanted to get like all of it and it was too long for this. So, yeah. It's just for the information. It's okay if it's not dried completely. It's okay if it's a bit moist. To mention this in the start, but you're also gonna need salt and pepper. Okay, so you're just gonna put a bit, not too much. And then you're just gonna, maybe if you have to, just try to spread it around so it won't be at the same spot. That's it. Don't forget the salt now. Put it between medium and high, so like somewhere right about here. We're gonna fry the fish. Now we're gonna put a bit of oil. I prefer grape oil because it's a bit healthier. So we're just gonna put a bit. To know if it's ready, you just put a specific point, and if you hear a sizzling sound like this, then it's ready. And two. Make sure there's room between, it won't touch, just to make sure like it's not on top of each other, so yeah. Until the skin is crispy, and then you need to flip it. Now we flip it. Ready, you take it and put it here. Now we're gonna rub some teriyaki on it. After that, you put it on an oven tray so you can put it in the oven. You put some teriyaki here and you need to brush it on the salmon. Okay. It would be even more effective in a little cup instead of a plate, but as you can see, it's spilled a bit here. But make sure you put it everywhere. Don't miss any spots. Just put it everywhere. Now we're going to open the oven, obviously. And we're going to put the dish inside. And be very careful because it's going to be hot, obviously. And let it sit for 2 minutes. Close it and let it sit for 2 minutes. Beeping now, so we'll take it out. So now we're gonna take it off. Make sure you have gloves because it's gonna be hot. Now you're just gonna pick it up and you're gonna put it down on pads, or at least I am just saying. Don't forget to close the oven, and you're done. If you want me to do a tutorial about. If you want to see how to make mashed potatoes, come and watch my next video.